up, guys? Good morning. It is another day here in the beautiful Coachella Valley. No wind, no dust, no fires in the area, so that's always good. Anyway, we got the Mustang out of here. It is finally time to pull in my Lexus and do a tune-up on it. We're going to be doing coils, plugs, wires, valve cover gaskets, intake manifold gaskets, cleaning the engine bay. So I'm going to go ahead and pressure wash it and let it sit for a little bit so it can all dry off, and then we'll go ahead and break into the valve covers. Alright guys, we got it all cleaned up, pressure washed off, so get all the water out of mostly everywhere. I got a bunch of stuff to do this thing. Probably today I won't get to the transmission, but I would like to get the coils, wires, plugs, oil change, valve cover gaskets, and intake manifold gasket. I would like to get all that done today. Be a nice little tune-up and make me feel accomplished today. So I'm going to go ahead and get this thing up on jack stands, and we'll disconnect the battery and start tearing it apart. done. I've got the valve covers off, the valley cleaned. So the cams look pretty decent, pretty good shape for 180,000. Alright guys, it is done, complete. Everything is put back together. I've double checked every plug I took apart and vacuum line. Yeah, it got valve cover gaskets, oil change, plugs, wires, coils, a pretty paint job, and we're about to fire it up. Check for leaks. Leaks look good. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off, and we're going to check the oil one more time, and then ready for test drive. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I am back from my test drive. I got my hot chocolate. I'm happy. It's beautiful. If you like this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up down below. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment down below as well. And hit that subscribe button to get more videos like this. Click on that little bell icon. It'll leave you notifications anytime I upload a new video. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and head over to Facebook and like my page, Oneils Garage, where you can get exclusive updates on projects like this and just pictures throughout the day, and check out my story, see what I'm doing in the shop. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.